Hello.
How are
Okay.
you?
I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. And tell me about something about yourself. And after you tell me, and after that, I will also tell myself.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure.
Yeah,
Uh, I am Irfan. I am from
yeah.
Patna, Bihar. I am from Patna,
Okay.
Bihar. Okay,
Yes.
and my name is Irfan. And as
Okay.
far as my educational qualification, then I have done MBA
Okay,
from
sir.
Magad University. Magad University is located in Bodh Gaya.
Okay.
Yeah, I have done MBA in Master in Business Administration, and my major subject
Okay.
is finance, and my minor subject is HR.
Okay. That's cool. That's good. And then I definitely share myself. I am also a student in graduation level, and I'm doing my graduation. I'm in second year in Open University, not regular university. Okay, and
Okay,
I also working somewhere in my nearby area, and it is uh, showroom area. I'm working showroom field, and I love speaking foreign people and love to speak unknown friends, and that's why I'm working in this way. This is my, you can say, this is my interest, and this is
okay,
my aim also. And yeah, it is true that that's why I connect lots of people like you, like other countries people also. I try to speak them, try to learn something new thing that is I don't know, and that is I am learning through like by you and any other people.
okay. That's
And
great. Then have you ever talked with native speaker?
yeah, it is not true. I'm not talk any native speaker, because when I will go in native speaker, I definitely paid some money. Without paid money, I can't talk, because they are always prefer money, because when you go to Sky, Camly, that place is really really expensive for everyone, because I'm not that much experience about speaking purpose. That's why I am still learning and still talk to you and still talk to unknown friends. Like yesterday, I talked in Indonesia friend, and I love speaking, and he share me everything about Indonesia, and
Okay, that's
like
great. Then how did you? Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Then how did you connect with him?
yeah,
Indonesian.
actually, yes, yes. Tell me, I will definitely tell you that he connect with me, because we connect one WhatsApp group. There is lots of people available on foreign country, and everyone not appreciate to talk with me on Skype, because the reason we are not that much advanced level, because I am also learning, they are also learning. That's why we are facing lots of difficulty. That's why they are not appreciate me, but I manage myself and I talk to them. Let's speak something about English purpose, why we need to speak and why we talk in English, and that's why we talk to each other.
Okay, that's great. Then have you created this group, WhatsApp group?
No, I haven't created, but I have created. There is no big crowd, because everyone get left on that group, because everyone not appreciate, because same group we are joining, same work we are doing. Then people are not understand the matter, because everyone work in own work. And yeah, it is true that I am also working my own work, and whenever I have free, then I start talking to new friends, and it is true.
Okay,
And
that's
I
great.
just, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and
And
I want to say something with you. I want to learn English because I want to
yes,
do work in a MNC company, uh,
okay,
like
okay, that's fine.
uh, like
Hmm.
Infosys, TCS. And after
Yeah,
experience,
yeah.
yeah, and after experience, I would like to go in abroad for doing job.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
Uh,
You
that
know,
I,
uh, 2 days ago I talked with new friend. He is from Patna, but he lives right now in Bangalore. With
Okay, that's good.
we are talking on Buddy Talk application, and
Buddy talk.
he yes, Buddy Talk.
Okay.
You heard Buddy Talk?
No,
Maybe
no,
you heard.
no, I don't know about buddy talk.
Yeah, and I definitely share you that
Definitely.
application also, and that person good. I think he shared me everything about company's perspective because he's working on that place.
Okay.
He shared me that what is the way he is working on that place, and why why he used to talk on Buddy Talk, because when he free that time for conversation purpose, for fluency purpose, he used to talk on Buddy Talk because there is no availability on video call, because when you paid some money, then you definitely call with video call, but he is used to talk only for audio call because fluency purpose.
Okay, that's
And I when I talk to him, then I realize myself, yes, we can capable, we can talk to anywhere, we can, because it is the you know, we are not purchasing any money, we have enough uh, we have enough way to learn the skill, and
okay.
it is
That's great.
true it is
Yeah,
true Mhm.
and do you know about Speak Native app?
Yeah, you already told me
Okay,
speak
okay, okay.
native, but you know, I didn't work on it, and because the reason I'm working somewhere in Sunday today, you can see me. I'm in free time, and that's why I told you that Sunday is my free. Uh, Sunday, I definitely talk to you, and you appreciate me. You give me your valuable time. I'm really thankful for you, and it's
Okay, so much. I
really
appreciate.
pleasure. Yeah,
Okay,
it's really pleasure moment for me because it's my need. Without need, actually, we definitely work work anywhere, but we need some speaking partner, and then
okay,
I found you, and you definitely you appreciate all the problem, and you will, you know, you give me your valuable time, and now we can talk to each other. That's really good moment.
okay, that's great.
And
And
in the
yeah, okay.
Mhm.
And may I ask with you one question?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, always welcome.
what kind of work do you do? May I know?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Why not? I am working in office staff in showroom. I
Showroom.
am
What kind of
showroom.
showroom?
Yeah, yeah, tractor showroom. Swaraj tractor showroom.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I am in office staff on that nearby my at least 12 kilometer far away from my house, and we went there when my work is going on. And today is Sunday, that's why I'm in here. I'm in
And
my
it's Sunday
house.
today.
Yeah,
Mm.
and that's why I'm use this application for making friend, making, you know, quality video. But I am trying my best. It is possible or not, I don't know. But in this way, I'm learning. In this way, I'm working. If you have any valuable way that people can work on it, people can understand, and people talk to each other. If you have any such types of way, please give me any way. If you have,
Okay, oh, yeah, okay, you're right. And do you want to go out of country? You are saying that you are learning English. You want to improve your English.
Mhm. Actually, I do not think about this because I'm still, studying in my graduation level. Because you know, actually, it's my coincidence. I I hadn't completed my graduation. I left my studies 3 years ago, and that's why
Oh,
I didn't
yeah,
completed my.
you had already told me about your
Yeah,
studies. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Actually, I hadn't completed my graduation level because I left my studies 3 years ago, and after that I stopped my learning, and I went to Delhi for working purpose, or you can say traveling purpose. I went Delhi, and after that I realized I need more degree. Then I can definitely go some specific company for working purpose. And after that I realized, let's again try to do on graduation. And after that I again admission with you know Open University, and I'm also working. And in this way I'm going on, and day is going on. And last
Okay.
6 months ago, I start speaking in English application like Buddy Talk, and after that, I found lots of way, and now I can see you, and you are also my friend because we are both learning, and
Yeah, yeah.
this is great way. This is great way.
And how long have you been using Skype?
It's maybe 2 months ago I download this application, and after that still I am using for video making purpose, not any purpose, just video making purpose. And when I have free time I used to talk in audio call, but it is true that when you speak on video, then your fear, your I think your
Hesitation. Hesitation.
hesitation is
Yes,
really
yes.
removed. Yeah, it's neat. When you speak anyone, you need to speak on video call. That is good way to throw your thought in front of anyone like me or anyone
Yeah, you
without.
are right. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I observe myself, and I definitely share everyone uh, that we definitely speak out with video. Audio call available. People are talk very easily. They feel normal. But when you talk in video call, then you feel uncomfortable. And
Uncomfortable.
we
Yeah, yeah.
need to remove this hesitation, and that's why I'm also using. And
Yeah, you're right.
tell me, yeah, tell me anything else if you want to ask me, or if you want to discuss with
Oh,
this video.
okay, okay. And are you from West Bengal?
Yeah, it's true. I am from West Bengal. My district name is North Dinajpur,
North?
and North Dinajpur,
Okay.
and you know very well in Malda is my nearest railway station, and Raiganj also my nearest railway station.
Okay. Raiganj is the name of railway station.
Yeah, Raiganj also railway station available, and
Okay.
North Dinajpur, North Dinajpur, big city is Raiganj.
Okay. Okay. That's great. And what will you do after completing your graduation?
Uh, I'm not. Uh, I'm not thought about, but maybe in future I want to, speak well. It is my aim. That's why I'm speaking. And after graduation, I have chance to any company to uh, work. I will go.
Okay. Okay. India or out of India?
Yeah, I'm not thinking about out of India nowadays,
Oh,
but maybe in fluency, when fluency is coming, maybe India also available me to such types of any job.
yeah, yeah. There are many kinds of jobs are available in India.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, because I have I have many friends from different countries, but
yeah.
they are not interested to learn English. I think that they
Yes,
don't have
yes.
much time to talk with me. That's why
Mhm.
I have only one friend. and he's from Tamil Nadu, and his name is Vignesh. And
Okay.
I talk with him every day. Whenever I have time, then I talk with him every day.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I also follow the same rule. Someone, I am also using same way. Like we talk every day in 9 o'clock in the evening. He's from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay, okay.
Yeah, and his name is. He's also a teacher. He is in profession in teaching line. He is math teacher, and his name is Ram Babu. I love to talk with him because he always motivate me. Uh, when I give up, then he always boost me that why you were stopped learning. And yeah, it is true that he is the only one give me some valuable time, and he is professionally a teacher, but he still talk with me
And
every day.
Ram Babu is a YouTuber.
Yeah, yes, absolutely. Rambabu also as a YouTuber and also a teacher in mathematics, math, math subject.
Okay, okay, very nice. That's good.
Yeah, he teaching in college, professionally teach in college. He's not a teacher. He is a professor. But I used to talk. I tell you that he is a teacher, but he is a professor.
Okay, he's a professor. Okay, and he teaches math.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, very nice. That's great. Okay,
yes.
and do you want to ask any questions? Then you can ask me.
No, there is no specific question for me, but we talk at least 16 minutes. That's enough for me, and that's enough for my viewer. And definitely, whenever I have time or you have time, hello, okay. Actually, whenever I have time, I definitely meet you again on same way.
Sure,
If
sure.
you give me your valuable time, that's my goodness. That's my uh, interest. You can say it's my interest. Then I talk to foreign people. I talk to you. It's also why I'm doing, because it's increase my memory. It's everything is stored in YouTube. In uh, later, in like 5 years later, when I again watch my video and I saw you, that yeah, that time I talk that position and I talk to that friend. And yes, that time is really energetic moment, pleasure moment for me.
Okay,
Yeah, that's why I love to speaking. I love to new friends to talking in English.
okay,
And
that's
this,
great.
yeah, and this is the only way I found lots of friends in English friends, and they always give me some motivation, give me appreciation, and always
Yeah,
told me that don't give up, and I really appreciate them, and that's why I'm working also same way.
yeah, you are right. You are right. Yeah,
uh,
your thinking is great.
yeah, maybe it's every it's true that people also think about me, why am I doing this work, but it's my interest that
Okay,
uh, yeah, and I love to speak. I love to meet new friends. That is really, really happy moment. I can't show you my happiness because it's energetic. It's inner happiness.
okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. And thank you for appreciation. Thank you for you spending me lots of time, and I'm really happy. I am thanks.
Thank you so much. I am pleased to talk to you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. And let's talk another time. If
Yeah,
you have
sure.
time, if I have time, definitely we talk to each
Yeah,
other.
sure. Yeah, sure. We will communicate each other later.
Yeah, yeah. Let's okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.